you should already understand how to do this, right? Because we've already talked about blends and steps and how to kind of put the colors together. But let's walk through this. So I'm going to grab my rectangle tool and I'm going to draw out my step. That's going to be my first step here. And then once I have that, I'm going to select it, hold down Option. I'm going to grab it out and I'm going to take and put it across there. Because I'm going to build out this 11 step value. So I just want to make sure I have a little bit of room to work with. Now, I said I wanted an 11 step value scale for a color. Now you notice I said I wanted yellow. And mine's kind of like a mustardy yellow, but that's okay. What I need to make sure is that my first step is going to be white. So my first step's white. My second step is the color that I'm working with. Okay? Does that make sense? Because I'm doing that step value. So now I select both of them. And I go to Object, Blend, Blend Options. Now, I'm asking you to create an 11-step value scale. How many steps do I put in the blend options? 9, right? So I already have it in there. And then I say, okay. I go back, Object, Blend, Make. And then I end up with an 11-step value scale for yellow. Pretty simple, right? I would now then make sure that I throw a text on there. And then I would just put, yellow value scale. So I had it. Now, let me go back and I'll put up the screen for you so that you can see the colors again.